This is Nurse Hattie, and today we're going to prepare a tea that's made out of ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and orange rind. First, wash your hands so you don't contaminate the food that you're grating. Then, fill up your pan with water. Make sure it's filtered and it has the UV light to get rid of the microbes that might be living in the water. Turn on the water and let it begin to heat up. Then you're going to take your ginger that you have frozen from the freezer and you're going to begin to grate it. Do a whole piece of ginger. You're going to finish grating it. And then I also froze turmeric, which looks like this. And basically, you're going to do the same thing. The reason why you want to freeze it is because it's easier to grate. Otherwise, you're going to rip your hands up. Okay, so that's your turmeric. And you want to do the whole, like maybe 2 of these. Then you're going to take an orange and wash it. I already have done that. And you're going to grate the whole orange peel, basically. Okay. And after you're done with that, you're going to take all the ingredients and a cinnamon stick, and you're going to put it in your water that's boiling. Okay, make sure you grate a lot more than I just did in this video. This is just to save time. And then you're going to put it in here, and first bring it to boil, and then after a while, go ahead and turn it to a simmer, and then keep it for like an hour and a half. You're gonna notice that the tea is gonna be like a burgundy color. And that has anti-inflammatory properties. It has, if your stomach's hurting, it will soothe your stomach. It helps pull out excess water that might be in your tissues. It gives you energy, and it's just a tasty little thing to have throughout the day. Don't have it too late, because if you do, you're gonna stay up all night with a really dry mouth because it's a diuretic. Thank you for watching.